Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Figma prototypes for user testing on iPhone 10. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and navigate to the prototype you want to configure for user testing. Ensure that your design frames are properly connected with prototype links. Select the starting frame for your prototype. In the right-hand panel, locate the prototype settings. Set the starting frame as your entry point by selecting the Start At option. Choose the device frame for the iPhone 10 from the available options. Adjust the viewport size to match the iPhone 10 dimensions, which are 375 by 812 pixels. Check the interaction flow by clicking on each link to ensure they transition smoothly. Test the prototype by clicking the play button in the upper right corner. In the prototype view, review the transitions and make necessary adjustments. Add any overlays if required by selecting a frame and using the Add Overlay option. Enable device mirroring to visualize the prototype on your iPhone 10. Download the Figma Mirror app from the App Store if you haven't done so. Open the Figma Mirror app on your iPhone 10. Log in with the same Figma account you use on your desktop. Ensure your iPhone 10 is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Select your prototype from the list displayed in the Figma Mirror app. Start navigating through the prototype on your iPhone 10 to observe usability. Make note of any feedback or usability issues during testing. After testing, gather all the notes to inform any design changes. Collaborate with your team to discuss the findings from the user testing session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.